I'm going to install this Two Brothers exhaust here on a 2018 GSX250R. To remove the OEM exhaust, you need to remove this bolt, and then there's one on the bottom. Okay, whenever you get the kit, you're going to get the muffler, instructions, then down at the bottom, you get your mid-pipe, and all your connective pieces. Okay, so I have the mid-pipe already installed. You want to install the clamp here. The next thing we're going to do is put the exhaust on, and then we will affix the two springs that go with it. You want to keep everything kind of loose. We'll line everything up, and then we'll bolt everything down. You're going to get two sets of springs here. You're also going to get a spring puller. You're going to put one on the top, one on the bottom. Okay, we have the exhaust clamp on. We have our mounting hardware and a spacer. Spacer is going to go in between the clamp and the foot peg. With the exhaust clamp tightened down, don't forget to go back and tighten this clamp down at the very bottom. This is what it looks like after mounting it on the bike. Let's fire it up. Thanks for watching.